Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Mighty Bull. Today I am going to give an update about current market structure and where we are headed. I will tell my views about the current market structure and what to expect in the coming days, and I will also share my views on why I am super bullish and what one should do at this point of time. The first chart I am going to show you is nothing but Nifty 50. After making a low here around April 2025, the stock market rallied till June to July, and then it is now in a consolidating mode. If you see this structure properly, even if in the recent times your stock selection might not have served you better and you might have faced frequent losses or stop loss hits, but if you clearly watch the structure here, you can see a beautiful cup and handle in formation. This is a beautiful cup and handle in formation. The cup is here and the handle is getting formed here. On the right side of the chart, what we can expect is the price breaks here and then starts to move up, or it can consolidate a little bit more and then it can start to move higher. When it will happen, what it will happen, we don't know, but in my opinion, the structure is very nice. I will also tell my few points why I am considering that this chart is fantastic, why I am super bullish. See this chart closely. This is nothing but a zoomed view of this consolidated zone. I will go back. I am now showing this region. Okay, what you are seeing is this region. You can see after it made a high around July, what happened is Nifty made a frequent lower high and lower low formation. A lower low here, lower high, lower low, lower high and lower low. Suddenly there is a change in the market structure when this pivot got broken in mid of August to September. What happened in mid of August? This pivot got broken and now the structure has been transformed into higher high and higher low structure. As you can see, this is higher high, higher low, higher high and higher low. Once it reaches this zone, you can see in the past 4 days it has given a beautiful up move, and you can see whenever the stock moves up, there is follow through days with increased volume also, which is above average. This is a very nice sign, even though one may not like the wick that is formed here. What I expect is that stock market may stall 1 or 2 days and then it may go up. Should not breach this pivot. If this pivot is breached, you should be very careful about your positions, and if your position hits stop loss, you should exit. That is what I am doing. So the next chart is same Nifty 50 with moving averages. Can you see what is happening in the moving average? This is 20, 50 and 200 day moving average. All these moving average are in contraction zone. Whenever this contraction happen, the expansion will be followed. The expansion might either be in the upward direction or in the downward direction, but as I said in previous charts, previous technical analysis, what I feel is the stock market is bound to move up. So this EMA contraction is a very good sign. This is also one of the reasons why I feel that the market is going to go up and soon it reaches the all-time high zone, or even it breaks the all-time high zone. Who knows? It will take time, but looks promising. That is what I want to say. And this is the chart showing the next probable move. As you can see, whenever a low is reached, Nifty usually moves in swings of around 4 to 5% move. Can you see this is a 4.85% move, then a down move happened and then it bounced back to 3.29%, a down move happened and it has bounced to 4.2%. So what I expect is Nifty will comfortably go up to this point, that is 4.34%. Why? This is the recent high it has made around the time of July. Can you see here? This is the recent high it has made. So this region might act as a resistance. So the stock market or the broader market will go here, stall a little bit, may come down and then may go into the next resistance zone, that is the all-time high zone. Okay, this is what I expect. So what you should do you should be looking for strong sectors. As I said in my previous video, I had made a video on how to find sector rotation using relative strength indicator. Kindly go and watch that. That video is available in my YouTube channel page. So you look for strong sectors. The strong sectors are, I will repeat, it is metals, autos, banks, financials, and particularly PSU banks are very strong. You can look for stocks in those sectors. You can look for the strongest stocks in those sectors. How will you do that? You look for stocks that are near to the all-time high zone or already broken the all-time high zone and is now trading in a consolidation phase. Either it may be pulling back in an orderly manner or it may be trading in a consolidated way. So manage your risk. Anything can happen. What I had said is just my view of my market. So of the market, just my view. Anything can happen. The market might not behave in the way I expect, but if it behaves, I will ride the trend. If it behaves in a way that I didn't expect, I will manage my risk. So that's it for today, friends. Hopefully I will come up with a new video. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe, like it, so that the YouTube algorithm can push my videos to new viewers also. Thank you.